Creator Tech Stack 2026. Build your entire creator business without 10 plus tools. Creators are overwhelmed today, not because building a business is hard, but because tech stack has become a nightmare. You're told you need a website builder, a funnel tool, a course platform, an email system, a community, and 10 other things. But here's the truth. You don't need 10 tools. You need one platform that does everything. The big shift in 2026. For years, creators juggled dozens of different tools. But in 2026, something changed. Creators realized all those tools were slowing them down, not helping them grow. So they switched to all-in-one platforms that handle courses, memberships, emails, funnels, and communities in one central place. This is the year of simplification. What you actually need. Every creative business needs 6 things: a content platform like YouTube to grow your audience, a way to capture leads with landing pages, email marketing to nurture subscribers, a funnel system for webinars and sales, product delivery for courses and memberships, and a community where members can engage. All-in-one platforms handle all 6 of these in one login. When you use 10 separate tools, integration breaks, data gets scattered, you lose leads, launches become stressful, and you're spending hundreds per month on subscriptions. The simple 2026 stack. Here's what you actually need. Pick one long-form platform like YouTube or a blog. Add one short-form platform like Instagram or TikTok, and then choose one all-in-one platform that handles everything else. Inside that platform, you get courses, memberships, emails, funnels, communities, webinars, and coaching tools. Add Canva for design and maybe Google Drive for storage. That's it. You don't need WordPress plugins, multiple email tools, expensive funnel builders, or separate webinar services. So to wrap this up, what you need is simplicity. A beginner can run a full creative business with just 3 tools, and even at 6 figures. You'll keep this lean stack. Stop trying to manage 10 different tools and start with one platform, one all-in-one business platform, and focus on consistency. Build your complete creator tech stack with Zenler today. Check out the link in the description below.